Hi everyone, in this problem we're going to evaluate this definite integral. So there's a couple ways of doing this. One way is to use, partial fractions. However, in this video, I'm going to do it using a formula. So the formula that we're going to use is a formula which is often given in calculus books. It's this one. It's du over 1 minus u squared. And I suppose that this comes up enough in mathematics that it warrants its own formula. It's 1/2 natural log, absolute value, 1 plus u over 1 minus u plus c. So should you memorize this formula? I mean, I guess it's up to you. Again, you can always just factor this and use partial fractions to do something like this. But again, in this problem, I want to specifically use this formula just to show you how to do it. So we can actually just apply it now directly because x is u, there's no difference here. So this is 1/2 natural log, absolute value, except it's x, 1 plus x over 1 minus x. And this is a definite integral, so you don't really need the c. So instead we put like a little bracket, and then we put the numbers 0 and 0.5. All right, so this is equal to, so first we plug in the 0.5. I'm going to leave the 1/2 on the outside throughout this entire computation. So I'll put a bracket here. Plugging in 0.5, we get the natural log of the absolute value of 1 plus 0.5, that's going to give us 1.5, okay, over 1 minus 0.5, that's going to give us 0.5. All right, so 1 plus 0.5 is 1.5, 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5. And then minus the natural log of, plugging in 0, we get the natural log of 1 plus 0, which is 1, over the natural log of 1 minus 0, which is 1. Okay, this is equal to 1/2. And you could use a calculator at this point if you wanted to. I guess I will. I mean, this is 3/2 and 1/2, so you could probably work it out pretty nicely. Let's do it by hand. Let's just keep going as far as we can go by hand, right? Why not? This is all positive. You don't need the absolute value anymore. So 1.5 is really 3/2, and 0.5 is really 1/2. Natural log of 1 is 0. You have, let me do it over here, 3/2 divided by 1/2. That's really 3/2 times 2 over 1, right? These are both in parentheses. Division is multiplication by the reciprocal, so you just get 3. So this is just 1/2 natural log of 3. That should be the answer. I'm going to type it into my calculator to get a decimal because I actually do have the decimal answer to this question, so I can check it. And yeah, that's actually the correct answer. So I haven't done this before, so I wanted to double check. 0.5493 is the answer. So, or this one, this is a better answer. So nice problem. Just an application of a formula that you often see in calculus books. This is from an old book from the 80s that I've been messing around with. So kind of fun. I hope this video has been helpful to someone out there in the world. Good luck to you.